Good afternoon, guys. I am heading down to the Sabatino Open House. You may have seen it before on my channel. It's a motorcycle dealership down here on Lombard Street in the St John's area, and they specialise in Royal Enfields. Well, heard from a friend Jim that they're having an open day, and so I sent a note out to the club members. Hopefully we will see a few bikes down there today, because it's an absolutely gorgeous day. This is the northwest area. Probably not the quickest way, but the easiest way without going on the freeways, I think. Poor little air-cooled engine's getting a little warm. So now I'm just heading down to St John's to cross the bridge over the river, and it's right there. Ooh, certainly industrial down here. You can really smell the chemicals and the metals. Or maybe that's just in the Starbucks that I passed. There's the bridge ahead, and as you can see, it's really high. It's extremely impressive when you're underneath it, just how high it is in the cathedral park that's underneath it. Here we go, guys. Do not look down. Whoa, look at Mount Hood. Amazing. Okay, we are here. I think that's it right there. You can just see the flash. Here we are. Sabatino Moto and two-stroke coffee. Guess where I'm going first? That was terrific. Oh, it was really good. Had a really enjoyable time there. Had a coffee and half a beer and some really nice cool bikes there as well. And 3 Nortons, I think. So Mark and Chuck, thank you very much for coming out. Hope you had a good time. It was really good, a really nice vibe. It's also nice to see some younger people there as well. Dead cool. And those Royal Enfields, they're ever so nice bikes. They're great. I think they're a really good bike, actually. They look so good. Oh, that cool breeze. Beautiful. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video, guys, and I will see you again next week. Take care. See you later. Gosh, I worked there in the year 2000 on a Y2K project. Can you believe it? Montgomery Park for CNF transportation. Gosh, that takes me back. I haven't been there in 26 years. Unreal.